Hey, Stephen here with a new video for the DIY Musician Guide. Instagram have launched a new app especially for longer videos. Now, I'm just going to take a look into why this is potentially great news for musicians. So this new app is called IGTV, Instagram TV, and like I said, it's especially for like long form videos, which is new to Instagram because up to now we've only been able to upload a minute of video, but now we can upload 60 minutes of video. Apparently these videos will show underneath the Explore tab in a normal Instagram app, but I think by the looks of it we've got to use the new app to upload these new videos. This seems like a direct assault against YouTube, and I expect a lot of people from YouTube to come over to Instagram because Instagram obviously has a huge install base. So what does this mean for musicians? Well, this means we can potentially upload entire gigs, rehearsal videos, vlogs, interviews, music videos. The list is endless. But one thing to note is that these videos only show in full screen portrait mode, so we're going to have to get really creative for what we come up with. The thing is, a lot of us carry around smartphones already, so this is obviously fit for purpose. So I see a lot of scope for musicians to take full advantage of this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the app so we can set up a channel and start using it. Okay, let's jump into the app. So you can see I've downloaded it here, IGTV. IGTV, I can imagine people are going to have fun with that name. So we jump right in, and you can see I've actually logged in with my account, and I'll just give you a kind of a quick tour. So as soon as you jump into the app, videos will start playing. I follow this ninja guy. You've probably seen him, he's famous for playing a game called Fortnite. So as you can see, videos start playing. We get a search button at the top. We get a For You, following, popular, continue watching. So obviously For You is basically what it deems that things that you'll like. Following, so I'm only following him at the moment who's putting this kind of content out. Popular, obviously, oh, Kim Kardashian is obviously there. Oh, and Philip Schofield, obviously. I did try and watch that for a bit. Continue watching, yeah, and Peach Gabriel there. So go back to For You. So we can go back to my channel here. Just clicked on my little avatar. You can see this is literally the same information from my Instagram account, and if I press the plus here, you can see I can pull videos in. I haven't got any videos ready for this yet, but I am gonna get things together and have a think about what I'm gonna put on this, because I like the idea of putting kind of unique content on this, not just the same old stuff I put on like YouTube or anything else. I'm really gonna have a think about what kind of unique content I can put on this platform. So normally when you link an account, you'll also have the option to create a channel, because until then you can just watch videos, but you won't have the option to actually upload videos until you click the create channel button. And that's it really. It's quite simple at the moment. So that's it. Let me know if you're going to take advantage of this new feature and get in there before everyone else, before it becomes a standard feature and everyone's using it. It's early days, so you want to get in there before everybody else. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again for another DIY Musician Guide.